We started our journey into robotic applications back in 2008. We got an opportunity to purchase an old ABB welding robot, and we started implementation of robotic welding into our metal processing factory. The journey was not easy. We had to work a lot and understand how the things are moving. Our success in the robotic happened with the product which is required in the quantities of 6 to 12 to 24,000 items a week. And then basically when we moved the threshold of 12,000 items a week, we also did another investment buying new, more efficient, more flexible ABB robots. But the old machine remained in the factory working on the items that were not that demanding in volumes. But we started developing an approach of work which gives a chance to work on the smaller, on more flexible applications. And we moved into another era of flexible welding where we could work on smaller batches.
With our new flexible robot cell, which we are calling Flexible, we are making a game changer to the welding industry. We should be able, with the Flexible, to robotize at least 50% of their welding, gain double capacity and not use more of the welding specialists that are very difficult to find.
FlexiWell reconfigurable cell is based on 4 hexapods, which are manipulated by UR10 robot to place them in new position. Furthermore, the UR10 can remove the tool on the top of the hexapod and replace them by a new one, adapted to another item. Our solution is a plug-and-play solution integrated within the manufacturing existing welding robot cell. The cell communicates through a single interface to the existing ABB welding robot for starting the welding when the cell is ready.
LT Technologies actually will be able to get an order today, start delivering it already tomorrow, where with traditional welding fixtures you would have to design, produce, and then only install, and then afterwards maintain fixtures that are also very expensive.
We are happy to be a part of DIH² community, to work together to develop and work on the flexible welding solution. It gives us an opportunity to give a boost in our productivity of metal working processing factory, and also increase flexibility, and the most important thing, to share the experience and also give something new to the community of welders and robotic applications.